Hello, hello, my lovelies. Welcome to Amanda's Crafty Corner. To my new viewers, welcome, welcome. To my subscribers, welcome, welcome. To everybody, welcome, welcome, welcome. I have a PR package from VIP CrossStitch. It's just two, one no name brand, one Joy Sunday. But before I get into my lovely cross stitch, I just want to give a huge shout out to the customer service at VIP CrossStitch. You guys are amazing as always. You're quite quick at getting back to me, especially when stuff is out of stock. But I also just wanted to let everybody know about the Black Friday discounts. So they are having a 15% off for Black Friday. It is from the 23rd until the 26th. So if you buy, they also have a buy 3 get 1 free. So of course you have to add 4 to your cart. Buy 6 get 2 free. Buy 9 get 3 free. There is no limit. Buy more, get more. And again, they're having a 15% off. Not only that, I have a discount code. It is Amanda10. So you will get an extra 10% off when you use my code on top of the stuff that VIP is already offering you. So with that said, let's get into it. I'm going to do the Joy Sunday first. I believe it's a little bit of a bigger canvas anyways. Nope, it's a 40 by. So Joy Sunday, we all love the Joy Sunday. Before I get into it, let's go over the back. It is your instructions for cross stitch for those that are beginners. So it has all the different types of stitching and how to choose your strands when it's a 14 or 11 count. The different ways to take care of your cross stitch. This one is a 14 count. It's called Dreamland, which kind of reminds me of Van Gogh because of this part here. Or maybe I'm just losing it, but it reminds me of a Van Gogh painting. So I'm just going to take this out. Slowly going to take everything out of the bag. So it has a total of 6 pictures, 6 pages, and it looks like this one fell off. So yeah, it's a total of 6 pages, or really 4 pages big and then like the 2 half pages here. Again, as I say in every single video with Joy Sunday, do not follow the pattern on here, on the paper, on the booklet. Don't follow this. You follow the pattern on your Ada, which I will get into. Let's just move it over here. So, there are 56 colors in total, which we absolutely love. In full stitch, and then 3 in back stitch. And to be honest, I think it's mostly the tree. Yeah, it looks like it's the trees and a little bit of the house. Yeah. Nothing in the sky. This is the sky here. Nothing really. It's more like the grass and the trees here. Yeah, this definitely looks like a portion of the Van Gogh painting. But I like it. I like the dark, eerie sort of stuff. And typical with the Joy Sunday as well. I have the product code here. I will post the links up for both of these products, don't you worry, in case you're interested. And I made sure that they were both in stock. At least that's what it says on the website, but who really knows. In regards to the Black Friday sale, because I'm going to just pause for a moment before showing you the Ada. I would personally email customer service with the links because they can tell you if it's out of stock or not before you purchase, because the last thing you want to do is spend, let's say, $50 to $100, and then all of a sudden all of your cross stitch that you wanted is out of stock. I'm dealing with that right now. That's why I'm saying it. With VIP CrossStitch, I made an order about 2 weeks ago, and we've been emailing back and forth. So I said, okay, this is most of the stuff that I want out of stock. I sent them like 10 links. And I told them, just pick whatever's closest to the price that I paid for everything. with these new ones. And please make sure they're in stock. Because, yeah, I was a little tired of clicking links. Oh, no, this is not found. Oh, no, this is not found. Because everybody is now buying for the Black Friday sales. After all my PR packages and all my packages come in, I'm not spending any more money on cross stitch or diamond painting, to be honest, until after the holidays, because everything needs to, they need time to restock everything, is basically what I'm getting into. Whew. If I did not say it, VIP CrossStitch is literally everything to do with cross stitch. Everything to do with cross stitch. That you have crochet and knitting tools that I can see, but they're mostly known for cross stitch. With that said, let's get into this canvas, which is a very pastel-y canvas with, as you can tell, most of this is block stitching. It's number 2, which is probably 310, right? Yep, 310. Because it is a nitty-gritty black cross stitch. Like, here's the road. You can see, you know, the bushes and stuff. And then you've got the nice sky here. The house is here. And then a lot of backstitch. I can clearly read the symbols down here. But yeah, number 2 is the one with the most. Joy Sunday Surges it. They put the title here, Dreamland, with the code. Yeah, that's this one. Not really much to go on because it's all black. And you're going to see that from this. Standard, 2 needles, gone. Because I don't like that. And then, yeah, so we've got the 2 cards here. They actually gave more black, 310, because of the amount. I'm not going to split it up. Well, you know what? Maybe I will. Hold on. Hold on. So, we got number 1 to 15. As you can tell here, 310. 1 to 15. And a 14 count uses 2 strands, or you can fold 1 in half. Typically, Joy Sunday with 14 counts, like they should be giving you a lot. But also, these strands are super, super long. I won't lie. They're very, very long. If you feel like it's too long, you could probably even cut it. But this is 16 to 30. And then 30, oh no, got stuck on the staple. I have a garbage beside me if you notice me throwing stuff away. There's a garbage. 31 to 45. How many colors did I say this again? It was a lot. 40 in backstitch. No, I don't even think I said how many colors. Or maybe I did and I'm just losing it. Yeah, 56. Yes, there are 56 colors. Oh, yes, 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 yes. And then 46 to 56. And then the extra black, the 310, the black. So here we go. Oh, okay. Just making sure stuff isn't falling all over me. And then the colors together. The lovely colors together. I'm just going to set it aside so that I'm not making a lot of crinkle. And then we have this lovely moon. I thought it was really cute. So it's 2 fairies, kind of like a light and dark fairy. So this is a no-name brand. This is a 60 by 45 centimeter. Like I said, I do like the larger canvases, even though they take forever to do. I do like them. It's 234 by 169. The instructions are here. This is actually nice and big. It's bigger than my thumb. The boxes. It has, unfortunately, they did fold this wet. I'm going to call you out, Ada. I'm sorry. But make sure the factory is mindful of this. Because sometimes on the Ada, it's actually hard for me to see some of the symbols. And then when I get this, it makes it 10 times harder. It is 50 colors, if you can believe that. This is 50 colors. There is no 310, but 939 is in it. And no 826. But yeah, 50 colors. It is huge. I'm not going to bother unfolding the paper. It is on our favorite format paper, because it's tear proof. Like, you could literally try and tear it. You can't. And then do the Ada. Oh, before that, we get our lovely toolkit. Thimble ring, which is adjustable. 5 needles with a pom-pom. And a needle threader. So this is for 14 count. I think it's for 14, 16, and 18 count. This is for 9 and 11 count, this side here. I toss it on my desk because I'm a hoarder. And then here is our canvas. So dark fairy, light fairy. It is serged for our convenience. I would probably honestly do it like this rather than this, because it would make it easier for me. My personal preference. And then we've got, yeah, you know, this I would also cut to about there, just so it's not too long. The borders are okay. I mean, the serge piece is not on here, but for the most part, I tend to use the paper for it. So I fold the paper in half, and then I use this, because typically what ends up happening when I put this in a Q-snap, this gets folded. So I can't see what I'm working on, so I use the paper for that. But yeah, there's a fair bit of confetti, which does not bother me. There's an orange, yellow, red. I'm just taking a look at the symbols. I think I'm good with the yeah, I'm good with the symbols. I can read them. I know for some people, when they do the orange and the red dots, it confuses. But there's only a red dot. Oh, no, there is an orange dot. But I can see it. And if anything, I just grab another light. And I use that light to help me. Or I ask one of my brothers, hey, can you see what color this is? And then we'll get into our lovely, lovely gloss. As you can tell, nice light and dark theme. Like I said, nice light and dark theme. I'm just trying to get the floss to unstick. So I'll just show you all the colors together for now. It's really pretty. This is your 37 to 50. Like I said, a whopping 50 colors. It's amazing when they give that many colors. And then here is 19 to 36, because I'm going the opposite way. So as you can tell, this is like the dark fairy colors. And then you've got like your light fairy, it seems, on this side with the mixture of the dark. Love the purples. I'm excited for this one. It's definitely going to be added to my spinner. And there you go. Those are my 2 cross stitches. I hope everybody will have a wonderful Wednesday, as it's already like 10:21 on a Tuesday night for me. So yes, those were my 2 cross stitches. I will post the links for everybody so that if you want to buy them, you can. As I said, because of the Black Friday, the holiday sales that will all be coming up, please be mindful. Remember, contact customer service before you put your order in so that you're not worried about the products not being in stock. With that said, for those that haven't subscribed, to my new viewers, please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that the bell for the notifications of when I do my lives, because I do lives twice a week, sometimes more, depending on how I feel. I try to get a video out as much as possible, both for cross-stitch diamond painting and then, of course, my unboxing videos. So, yeah, please like and comment on any of the products that you like. If you have a question of a product that you're not sure if you want to buy or not, I will totally buy it. I won't lie. I'll buy it. I'll show it to you. If you ever want me to stop what I'm doing and work on a new project, again, please tell me in the comments below. And again, I hope everybody has a wonderful, wonderful night. Bye, my lovelies.